Hello and welcome to my Blender video tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to create water. It's going to be a simulation and how to create material. I have a rendered version here for you. That's what we're going to have in the end. We're going to have a monkey in the middle, and then I'm going to be showing you collision with water also. So anyways, let's begin. Start a new file, and then I'll just switch on my screencast keys so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, now go to the front view, numpad 5 to get out of orthographic view, and drag this cube up. This cube is our domain, so I'm gonna make it pretty big. Beware though, actually I'll make it smaller. The bigger your cube, the longer baking time, and baking time isn't nice when it's long. So now we have our domain. Now add an plane. Go to edit mode, scale it out a bit, so that bit's good. Extrude up about that high, then X, delete only faces, then extrude, escape is to scale it out a bit. It must never leave the domain. Click to accept, and then extrude down the z-axis again. And we have now we have a little container. So go to front view again, shift A, add a UV sphere. Now you can shrink this UV sphere quite a bit, and yeah, it doesn't matter actually about the size. So now go to the physics tab, enable fluid simulation, and set the type to inflow. Also change the inflow velocity, change the Z to -2. Now go to select the domain, enable fluid physics, type domain, and select the obstacle, enable fluid physics obstacle, and then change this volume to shell. Okay, now if you watch the simulation, you'll see it fills up like that. Now let's just get to the top. Now add in a monkey, a mesh monkey, rotate it along the X 90 degrees. Go to front view, it makes it easier, and then go somewhere. What's it doing? Okay, never mind, don't do that. I don't know what happened, sorry. Now we have a monkey head. You can shrink it a bit, set smooth, and go to fluid obstacle volume. Showing you both types of obstacles. Now it's not going to do anything. Select this domain and then bake it, and this is going to take a while. So while it's baking, select this cube, go to the materials tab, and we'll start with the materials one. Leave the diffuse color, or actually just add a bit of a blue because it makes it much nicer. Transparency, ray trace, alpha, set it below 0.2, so 0.1, and the IRR to 1.333. That's 0 degrees water. Okay, now you can also change the depth. I'm going to change it to 6, and now we have our simulation that has to bake, so I'm going to pause this video tutorial and I'll resume it when it's finished baking. So now, welcome back. As you can see, our fluid has baked and we are ready to play the animation. So I'm going to press Z just to get into solid mode, and then Alt A to play. Let's see. Yeah, beautiful, eh? It fills up and up. And now what we can do, with the domain selected, put shade smooth. Oh, look at that, eh? Look, I like it. Okay. And now you can go crazy with these materials and stuff. And in this box, you can give it I'm going to give it a white texture, and I'm going to give this monkey red texture, red material with, I'll give it toon shade or something, and we'll render it. Let's just set, okay, yeah, now set the camera. To set the camera, go to the view you want it to be at, and hit Control Alt 0. The lamp, drag it up a bit, add a sun lamp, duplicate it, leave it in its same position, change it to a Hemi, and change the NG to 0.1. Now, let's render. It's gonna look at that. You can see the monkey has its, it looks pretty cool for a first time with water. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. You can change it however you want. And so then also if you want to animate it, you can just animate it as PNGs, as an array, and then put it together in something like Windows Live Movie Maker or something. Yeah, here's the limits free. So I hope you learned how to make a water simulation and how to make water material. Also, what you can also do is change the background color, the world back color, to white, which also gives it a nice effect, the water. So if we render now, you can see it looks a little nicer. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my video tutorial. Please tell me what you think below in the comments, and goodbye. Oh yes, and also yes, I'd love to see your results, so if you could just also leave links to them in the comments, it would be greatly appreciated. And bye.